Let's look at your practical book on the letter of L. Okay, before that, let's read the instruction. Join the dots from the A to L, then fill in the blank to complete the word. Now we're going to join. Children, we're going to join A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. How you go? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Can you sing that song? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Now I'm going to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Wow, what's this? It's a leaf. Then you want to color. What color the leaf is? Is in green color, just like this. Alright, this color is green. So you color this green in color. And you write the leaf. L for leaf. Okay, now go trace and write. How do you do that? Go up and down, 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 up and down. See, this is small L. Now you're going to go capital L. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Say after me. 1, 2. What is that? Yes, 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Did you get right? Yeah, very easy. Don't hold like this. Hold like this, okay? Okay, good children. You color this and make the leaf looks green and nice. Okay, see you in the next lesson. Bye with more words with Charlie. Bye.